Oh, yeah. Hello, YouTube friends.
Oh, friend!
Hello, YouTube traders. Today, we're going to go over what I'm sure you clicked on this video for. Is the market crashing? Is there a massive opportunity coming? Or is there one already present? We're going to talk about it. I'm going to go over the SPY 500, the NASDAQ 100, US 30, the Australian market, the ASX 200, Tesla, AMD, NVDA, and the US dollar, as well as something that I'm seeing a little more shorter term that's really piquing my interest, the Swiss Japanese, so the CHFJPY. Stay tuned, let's get after it. Now, on SPY 500, you can see here we made a high, and then we started making a lower high and a lower high, while at the same time making a lower low and a lower low and a lower low and a lower low. Now we can see price is right here and it's trying to break this low, which personally, I see this happening and us coming down to this level is what I really want to see. At that point, I'll be interested in taking it along, but I do need more confirmations when that happens. On the NASDAQ, same sort of thing. I'm seeing the bullish upside divergence, but I do want price to come into the level and give me some confirmations to take an entry. US 30, same thing, in the level already. Do think we might get deeper into it before we see anything really happen in terms of going back up to the upside. The Australian market, strong level right here. Need to come deep into it, and then we're going to look at taking that long. Now, let's get into the individualized things and see if we've got anything going on there. All right, let's have a look at Tesla now. For those of you who are avid followers of the channel will know that I am a massive Tesla bull. I think it's a very good long-term investment. Obviously, that's not financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube giving you his opinion. About me, I have over 10 years trading experience and investing experience, so kind of know what I'm talking about. But you'll see that. Hit the subscribe button and you'll see that. Tesla, long term, I'm bullish. But what am I seeing right now going on? I'm seeing that the market's weak, right? So there's weakness there. Then on Tesla itself, we had this high, then we dropped, then we came back and made this lower high, dropped again, made another lower high. Then we dropped all the way down here, came back up to this very strong level and made another lower high. With all this, look in the level. At this 3, 13, 14, 15 area, price came up and the bears just rejected it back down. Price came up, rejected it back down. Then it dropped, started moving up a little. I sold somewhere around here, seen all that weakness, seen all the weakness that I'm talking about. So I sold some profits there, which is the very first time I've ever sold Tesla. So just, yeah, updating you guys on that as well. I do see some weakness, and then it came back up here. So I was like, it's not fun when you sell something that you love and then it keeps going up. But all good, it went up, and then I should have added here. I didn't, and I'll explain why. I added as in I should have maybe sold a few more Tesla shares at that point. Only reason I didn't was Q3 is coming out, in about a week or so. The very start of July will be coming out. And I believe Q3 is going to be, it will be a record quarter, but it just depends how Wall Street reacts to it. I do think it's going to be positive. So that was the only thing that was sort of, and I really like Tesla. So yeah, it's the only thing that kind of kept me away from doing that. But so look at all that. I'll show you this as well. There's also a fib right here. See this fib? Came up to the 61.8 level. It's a very strong level in terms of technical analysis. So on top of all that, we had a daily divergence. I really should have sold some more, but I'm happy with the amount that I sold. I can sleep, no dramas. That's one thing with trading and investing, if you're ever not sleeping, you're doing something bad. It's not good for your health, mate. Let's just put it that way. Let's have a look at AMD. For those of you who follow AMD, it is very weak. Once again, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Just keeps going down, and lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. This right here, to me, is junk zone area, so really not interested at the moment. But if it comes down into this area right here, that's when I will start getting somewhat interested. NVIDIA, we do have a level here, not the greatest level, so I'm going to need to see a lot more confirmations before I get excited about NVIDIA. I'll show you the US dollar. US dollar, let's get the weekly. So just like with the market showing weakness, US dollar is showing a lot of strength. They tend to move opposite, so there's that correlation. Yeah, correlation. Hope I'm pronouncing that correct. Anyway, with that, basically just means they move up. They're moving opposite. Like, yeah. So once again, have the strong rejection. This is a weekly chart. So rejection here, rejection here was a strong resistance level. Bursted through it now. So if price comes back to this, back to this level right here, I will be watching. Don't know if I'll be doing too much there. Really wanted to come down to here, and that's when I'll be very interested into looking to go long again. This is why I'm saying I could see the market moving up, and then because I can see this move down, so obviously opposites moving two different things. Coming back, so this comes back into here, the market moves up to that. I don't know if did I show you the level on? So here, it moves up to, I'm thinking somewhere around, comes up to here. That's when, you know, I'll be looking to sell the market again, if that happens. And the other thing I want to show you was CHFJPY. So this on the weekly chart, we have right here, weekly chart, we have strong uptrend. We had this level right here. I'll show you a bit more in depth on it. Came up there, got rejected. This is daily chart, got rejected. Came back up, got rejected again. Came back up, got rejected again, got rejected again. And then finally, what I really like is it bursted through. You really want to see strong conviction in when it breaks the level. And that's exactly what we got. And then even more, another thing I really like is that it came back so quick. And then look what happens when it came back to that level. Rejection again. Price shot up from there. The bulls were like, nope, this is very strong, moved up. So I want to see it come back down. Well, what I want to see is, I want to see it come back down in this level again. And then I will be very excited. But once again, we'll need confirmations. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see what I'm doing with my trading. Obviously, I have Patreon. If you'd like to support me, I would really appreciate it. On there, I share all my real-time trading. But if you can't, just follow the channel. You know, you'll see what I'm doing. It might not always be real-time, but you'll at least be seeing what I'm doing, and hopefully you learn something. If you did learn something or enjoyed the content, please drop a like on the video. Subscribe. Drop me some comments. Tell me what you're thinking, what you're seeing, what you're doing. If there's anything you'd like me to look at, let me know. Just drop a comment. And if it's something in my wheelhouse, I'll have a look at it. Have a good day.